In this video, I'll show you how to send money to Bangladesh using Remitly. Remitly is a fast, secure, and affordable way to transfer money internationally. If you're new, sign up using the link below and enjoy your first transfer fee free. Now let's get started. So start by opening app Remitly app, or you can visit their website at remitly.com. And again, if you're new, use the link below to sign up for free and enjoy a free first transfer. If you already have an account, log in to get started. So now, once logged in, select Bangladesh as your destination country on this part. Click onto this downward arrow and scroll down until you see the option. But you can just go ahead and type in Bangladesh on this section and select that from the results. So after that, hit send money. And then type in first the amount that you'd like to send first in USD. So for example, I want to send 100 USD, and then you'll have an automatic conversion on the corresponding currency. Now, once you scroll down, you'll then need to select your delivery method and then your payment method. So for delivery method, you have three options. You can go for mobile money, bank deposit, and as well as cash pickup. So for mobile money, this transfer money directly to Bcash or Rocket Mobile wallets. And for the bank deposit, this sends money directly to accounts like Islamic Bank and so on. And for the cash pickup, funds can be collected at partner locations like Citibank and so on. So for this one, I'm going with cash pickup. And for the payment method, you have three options: debit card, credit card, and bank account. So for both of the cards, this transfers the money in 5 minutes, but for bank account, it transfers money in 3 to 6 days. So I recommend you to choose debit card or credit card. So for this one, I'm going with debit card, and check right here the fees that you're going to pay for the transaction and hit continue again. Now on this part, you just need to select a cash pickup option. So select whatever or the most convenient location for your recipient. So I'm going with Mutual Trust Bank. And then for the next part, enter the recipient's name, the first name, and their last name. Then hit continue again. Now there's recipient city as it would appear on the valid ID. Hit continue, and if you'd like for your recipient to receive some transfer updates, you can type in their mobile number on this part, but this is completely optional, so you can skip this one. And then click onto this add new card. This is if you want to pay with your card. So I'm going with this one, and then type in the card number, expiration date, security code, and your name as it appears on the card. And make sure also to double check the billing address. And once you fill in all of the information, hit onto with the next button, and on the next part, review all the details, including the recipient's information and the delivery option. Once everything looks good, confirm the transfer. Remitly then will provide a tracking number that you can share with your recipient. So that's all there is to it. Sending money to Bangladesh with Remitly is fast, easy, and as well as secure. Use the link below to sign up for free and enjoy your first transfer without any fees. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.